Quick video today, guys. Just want to show you a tool that may help in your polishing or prep for paint, or even if you're doing paintless dent repair. This is the hatch jammer, and that's exactly what it is. It's a tool that can hold open the back hatch, a hood, doors, keep it secured, so while you're putting pressure from a polisher or a sander, it will stay in place and give you full range of the panel when you are prepping or polishing it. Let me get this thing open and show you how to utilize the tool. Okay, so we have these two knobs here that loosen up and give you full adjustment when it comes to length. And here's your latch. Both of these get tight as you tighten up the knobs here, one on each side. A very light little tool, only weighs 15 ounces, and when fully collapsed has a length of 19 inches. Very compact. If you want to open the hatch a little bit further or open the doors, this will stretch out to about 2 feet. So here's a great example if you have a hatch like this or an SUV where this concaved area right here, it's hard to get to, and a lot of the hatches you can just pop it. So the little hook here is going to go in the latch, so you can, well, for Pete's sake, open it up. There we go. Get it in there. Tighten it up. Now it's not going to, no matter which way you twist it, turn it, pull it, it's not going to come out of there. Let me show you what that looks like. Right onto the trunk latch itself. And then turn it this way so you can come down and latches right onto the tool itself. Let me, excuse the shakiness of the camera, I'm taking it off the stand so I can show you. That locks right in there. So it's pretty much locked. It's a little loose, but the hatch or the door won't open or close any further until you loosen up the knob here and adjust it. So if this is too wide for you, which it is, let me get you back on the stand again. If that's too wide, hold that, take pressure off of it, loosen this up, and let it slowly come down, and then tighten it up again. Let me grab a polisher and show you that this is actually the perfect height standing to get the back lid or the back deck here. You can pretty much put whatever pressure you want to, and it's rather stable. Even with the vibration and with the herky-jerkiness of wiping off your polish, or if you're doing PDR back here, or if you're prepping for paint or clear in any way, you're all set. It could also be useful for the door. Loosen that up. You can twist it. Lock it, and there you go. All you have to do to let the door release from the tool itself is simply pull the knob. And you're good to go. We also find it useful when doing PPF, holding these panels open, especially the hood, when we want to roll the film around all of the edges. So at this point here, you can polish the edges, or if you have a hood that has a contour, points down towards the grill, you can get that ledge, or if you're doing PPF, you can stretch, get your tack, or with PPF, you can get your roll around the edges as well. Once again, the hatch jammer, a must-have? Nah, I just wanted to let you know it does exist, because it could assist you one day. I've found them running anywhere from $20 to $30. JB Tools, Amazon, can be found in many places, different versions, colors, sizes, and shapes. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. Hope that helps. Always a pleasure just to spend a few minutes with you throughout the day. And I'll catch you in the next video.